City of Falls Church in Northern Virginia, Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, the City of Manassas Park in Northern Virginia, Prince William County in Northern Virginia, the City of Manassas in Northern Virginia, the City of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, until 2:30 a.m. Friday. At 8:26 p.m., Doppler radar and indicated thunderstorms with heavy rain over the area and continue to develop. The rain will cause flooding to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank.
Hi, Aces, you failed again.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning.
This is a big one, that's what she said.
From Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland. Tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Indian Head, Maryland, until 11:15 p.m. At 9:46 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Sylvania State Park, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Sylvania State Park, National Harbor, Quantico, Fort Washington, Tidal Basin, Reagan National Airport, Gunston Hall, Mason Neck State Park, Woodrow Wilson Bridge, Indian Head, Key Bridge, Occoquan Bay, Fort Hunt, Smallwood State Park, and Alexandria.
There's a bunch of floods!
In Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Prince William County in Northern Virginia until 1:45 a.m. At 9:45 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Rain of 1 to 2 inches is expected in the next hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, radar indicated. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flooding include Dale City, Woodbridge, Lake Ridge, Montclair, Lorton, Dumfries, Cherry Hill, Independent Hill, Mason Neck, Occoquan. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate so be careful. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties.